Get addicted to English, not because it is easy, but because it can change your life. Imagine opening your mouth and speaking English without fear, without overthinking, without translating in your head. Today, we begin that journey together. This lesson is not just about grammar or vocabulary. It is about confidence, habit, and mindset. I want you to listen, repeat, and feel the language. English is not a school subject. English is a living skill that grows when you use it daily. Take a deep breath. Relax your shoulders and say this sentence with me. I can speak English confidently. Good. Say it again, slower and stronger. I can speak English confidently. When you repeat, your brain starts believing it. Many learners fail not because they are weak, but because they practice only sometimes. Addiction means consistency. Think about your phone. You check it every day. You do not wait for motivation. You just do it. English should become like that. Small, daily, natural exposure. Let me tell you a real story. Amir was a shy shop assistant. He understood English, but he never spoke. Customers would ask questions, and his heart would beat fast. One day, he decided to change one habit. Every morning, he spoke English to himself for 5 minutes. Simple sentences. No pressure. After 3 months, he was helping foreign customers easily. Confidence came from repetition, not perfection. Remember this sentence. Progress loves patience. Now, let us warm up your English muscles. Repeat after me. I enjoy learning English every day. Again, I enjoy learning English every day. Good, notice how your mouth moves. Speaking is physical. Your tongue needs training like a muscle. Do not be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are signs of growth. Children make thousands of mistakes, yet they speak fluently. Why should you be different? Here is a simple habit. Talk to your mirror. Ask yourself easy questions. How was my day? What did I eat? Answer in English. Even if it sounds silly, it works. English is about expression, not translation. Think in ideas, not words. When you hear rain, you do not translate it. You feel it. That is how fluency feels. Let us practice a useful sentence. I am getting better at English every single day. Say it with confidence. Again, I am getting better at English every single day. Excellent. Your brain loves positive messages. Now, imagine your future self. You speak clearly. People listen. Opportunities open. This is not a dream. It is a skill. Skills grow with action. You do not need perfect grammar to start. You need courage. Start small. Order food in English. Write short comments. Record your voice. Listen kindly, not critically. Let me ask you a question. Why do you want English? Better job, travel, confidence. Keep that reason close. When motivation drops, habits will carry you. Addiction means you miss it when you stop. That is our goal. From today, English is part of your life. Listen to English songs, watch short videos, shadow speakers, copy their rhythm. Fluency is music, not math. You do not count notes. You feel the flow. Say this final line with me. English is becoming natural for me. Again, English is becoming natural for me. Very good. In this journey, be patient and kind to yourself. You are not late. You are exactly where you need to be. Every minute you practice counts. Every word you speak builds courage. This is only the beginning. We will build habits, confidence, and fluency step by step. Stay open, stay curious, stay consistent. Your English story starts now. Take another breath, smile. You are doing great. Trust the process. Tomorrow you will speak a little better. Next month, much better. This is how addiction works. Quiet, powerful, daily. I am proud of you for starting. Remember, fluency is built, not gifted. Keep going. Do not stop. Your voice matters. Your effort matters. And English will soon feel like home. Let us continue this journey together. One sentence at a time. You are capable. You are learning. You are improving. Say it one last time. I can speak English confidently. Again, with feeling. I can speak English confidently. Excellent. This feeling is the start of your addiction to English. Hold on to it. Use it and let it grow every single day. You have taken the first powerful step. Celebrate it. Believe in yourself. The rest will follow. Keep practicing. Keep speaking. Keep believing. We are just getting started. Thank yourself for showing up today. Your future self will thank you. And yes, you can do this. Stay with me. More is coming. Very soon, you will surprise yourself. English will flow. Fear will fade. Confidence will rise. This is your time. Own it. Speak freely. Speak proudly. Speak English. Every day. Before we pause, remember this simple truth. Motivation comes and goes, but habits stay. If you wait to feel ready, you will wait forever. Action creates readiness. Speak when you are unsure. Speak when your voice shakes. That is how confidence is trained. Let us practice one more short exercise. Answer aloud. What did you learn today? Say one sentence. Good. Now say another. Excellent. Each answer makes you faster. Each try makes you braver. Promise yourself something small tonight. 5 minutes of English. No excuses, no pressure, just presence. This is how addiction starts, softly and honestly. I will be here with you, guiding you, step by step. Together we will turn effort into ease, fear into fun, and practice into pride. Trust yourself. Trust the journey. Your English is waking up. Let it grow. Let it live. Let it become part of who you are. This is only section 1 of your transformation. Strong foundations create strong speakers. You are building yours right now. Stay focused. Stay hopeful. Stay addicted to learning. The next step is waiting. Are you ready to continue forward with me?